Welcome to IMO Term, IMO's terminology and reference portal. Once you're in the IMO Term webpage, type the username and password that you were assigned for the previous version of Multitrans. Here you will be able to access both IMO's terminology database, IMO Term, and the IMO TextBases or translation memory. Click on Login. You can now select the interface language by clicking on the Language drop-down menu. And you can access the TextBases by clicking this button. Selecting TextBases. You can choose the TextBases you wish to research. If you click on the Options button, you have 4 tabs: TextBases, Languages, Settings, and Colors. Click the TextBases button and the list of available TextBases will appear. To select all TextBases, click here. To unselect, click here. Select your desired TextBases. A check mark will appear next to the selected TextBases. Prioritizing TextBases. Once you have selected your TextBases, you can prioritize them using the blue up and down arrows that will appear when you place your cursor to the right of the TextBase names. Note that the number that appears next to a given TextBase indicates its order within the list of selected TextBases. Use the up arrow to prioritize a TextBase towards the top of the list, and use the down arrow to move it towards the bottom of the list. Once you have selected the order of your TextBases, you may proceed to conduct a search. Important message: the order of TextBases is automatically saved once selected. Selecting source language and target language. To select your source and target languages, select Languages. Select your source language and select your target language. Important message: your source and target languages are automatically saved once selected. Search options. Once you have selected your searchable TextBases, established their order, and selected your source and target languages, you can proceed to modify your search options. To modify your search options, click on Settings. Select your desired search parameters. Here are the main ones. Maximum search results. You can change this number to suit your needs, but remember that the more documents you load, the slower the processing of documents will be. We suggest that you keep the following boxes ticked: consecutive words, all words, newest document first. As to search type and alternate suggestions, we suggest that you click on Exact and Always. Regarding the source or target segments you wish displayed on the screen, you can make your selection here. We suggest that you select a low number of previous segments to be shown before the required segment. If you suggest 1, then the segment with the term will appear close to the top of the pane, in second place, therefore easier to find. Understanding search results. When you perform a text-based search, you will obtain a variety of results, which can be described as follows. In the search pane, write the text you are looking for. Write, for example, development of a data collection system. Press Enter. Click on the maximizer sign of a suggested document and the result of that particular segment will be displayed in the search column. If you then click on that segment, you will see the full display in the text-based documents column. To close the details for each result, click on the minimizer sign to the left of each result in the description column. The Description tab displays the results of your search. The Frequency tab displays the number of times the result appears within your open text bases. The Document tab displays the name of the document within which the results were found. The Text Base tab indicates the text bases within which the results were found. The Usage tab indicates the number of occurrences per document. The column Text-Based Documents displays the source and target documents within which the first search result was found. The text in the source language is displayed in red. The segment containing the text in the target language will be highlighted in yellow. The alternating colors in the source and target texts display the segmentation of the document. If you're viewing a larger document, the entirety of the text will not be displayed. Important message. The option Whole File that allowed you to upload the full document and that was available in the previous version of Multitrans is not available in Prism. To locate a segment which does not appear on the current page, click Previous Page to scan back through your text, or click Next Page to scan forward. You can also click the Next or Previous buttons at the top left-hand side to jump to the next or previous search result. Important message. The menu column is inactive in this version of Prism. Finally, you can go back to the Term-Base IMO term by clicking on Term-Base. We hope all this information is clear and useful. However, if you have any queries or suggestions, please send us an email to trs@imo.org. Thank you.